Hi students, I am with your favorite subjects math, okay, and I am going to tell you today ninth maths, and once again I will tell you to represent irrational numbers on the number line. But I have told you already in the previous videos how to draw the irrational numbers on the number line, but here one thing is noticeable, that this irrational number is in the decimal, okay, and so how can we draw the decimal irrational number on the number line, okay. And so look here, 2% root under 9.3 on the number line. Here write solution, okay. And for doing this, first draw a straight line, okay, a straight line, and this is a straight line, but name this here O and X. Sorry, this will be your ray, okay. And on this ray, take a compass of 9.3 centimeter, 9.3 centimeter. Okay, here name this point A, 9.3 cm. Okay, right here take steps as one, take a ray and a point A so that OA is equal to 9.3 cm. Okay. Steps 2. Here, what take 1 centimeter from A on OX ray. Okay. And so 1 centimeter take here and write B. Okay. OX, so OB is equal to 9.3 plus 1 centimeter is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Okay. Steps 3. We take a compass and divide OB into two equal parts. That means we have to bisect OB to get midpoint of OB. Okay. And so for what? Getting the midpoint of OB from O and from B. What? Bisect OB in such a way. Here. Now only draw the dot lines to obtain what? Midpoint. This will be midpoint of what? OB. And name this point M. Number 3, bisect OB and name the midpoint M. Okay. Step 4. Now take the compass equal to OM or MB. Okay. And what? Draw a semicircle with the compass OM or MB from center M. Okay. And so draw a semicircle. This is OB. Okay. Now 0.5. 0.5 is that here on point A, construct a right angle. With the help of compass or with the help of the protractor, we can draw an angle of 90. Okay, this will be 90 degree angle that intersect the arc on point P. Okay, this is AP now line segment, and this line segment will be equal to 9.3 under root. Okay, here right angle and draw what? AP. Okay, where AP is equal to root under 9.3. Okay, now what? Take the compass of take the compass that is equal to AP and draw what? An arc that intersect on OX on point Q, and so AQ, therefore AQ is equal to AP is equal to root under 9.3. Okay, AQ is equal to root under 9.3. So in this way we can represent the irrational numbers as decimal form on the number line. Okay, now I am going to tell you some algebraic expression in the irrational orders. Okay, so here look, here some algebraic expressions here. Root A into root A is equal to A, root B into root B into root B, root B, root B, B, and here again root B. Okay, similarly what? Root A plus root B to the whole square is equal to root A to the whole square plus root B to the whole square plus 2 into root A into root B on the basis of x plus y to the whole square. Okay, and so root A into root A root B equal to B plus 2 root A. Okay, similarly root A minus root B to the whole square is equal to root A to the whole square plus root B to the whole square minus 2 into root A into root B is equal to A plus B minus 2 root AB. Okay, and root A square minus root B square is equal to root A into root A minus B. Okay, and so here these are some special or some important algebraic expression which are used in the unit 1. Okay, now look again here what? Some irrational numbers and rational number terms which are used to what? Solve the exercise as the surds and the degrees. Suppose here surds and degree. Okay, here what? Surd, and here degree. Here root x is in the form of surd, and here this is written in the degree form x to the power 1 by 2. Similarly, cube root x is equal to 1 by x, x to the power 1 by 3, and so on. Here x to the power 1 by 4. If here 10, here x to the power 3, then here x to the power 3 by 10. Okay, and so here m, here x to the power a is equal to x to the power a by n. So in this form, what the surds and the degree rules are what followed by us. Okay, now here look some degrees and the exponent, that means power and the exponents. Okay, here what power and exponents. Okay, in power and exponents, then suppose x to the power m into x to the power n. Here there are the two terms, x to the power m and x to the power n. Here we are looking the base are equal but the power are not equal. And if the bases are equal and power are not equal and they are in the multiple form, in this condition we add the power m plus n. Similarly, if they are in division form, x to the power m, x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. Okay, and so on. Here x to the power m by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. And if x to the power m whole to the power n, then we multiply the power m in. Similarly, if x to the power m into x to the power n, x to the power m into y to the power m, in this condition we write xy whole to the power m. And if x to the power 0, then this means 1. If we write also here 1, 0, that means 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Or what? That means 8000 and so on to the power 0. This also gives the answer 1. Okay? And if x to the power minus 1, then here will be 1 by x. If x by y to the power minus 1, in this condition will be y by x. Okay, y by x. And on this basis properties, we can solve the next exercise. Okay, so these are necessary to know. Now I am going to tell you how can we rationalize the denominator. Okay, so look here. Here on the top of the board you are looking a mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number, and if you have problem in the chapter or the exercise, you can contact me on this number. Okay, and if you like the videos, you must like and subscribe my channel. So look here once again, rationalization of the denominator. Rationalization of denominator. Okay, denominators. First look here, question number 1. Here 1 by root 2. Okay, this is the question, 1 by root 2. Again, question number 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1. Next question is here, what? 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. These are the three types of the questions. First question, look here. Solution number 1. Okay, 1 by root 2. And so again write 1 by root 2. Here the question is rationalization of denominator. So we have to convert the denominator in the what? That means natural number. Okay, and so here we have to, in this condition, we have to multiply the number in numerator and denominator both equal to the denominator. Here denominator is root 2, so multiply by root 2 in numerator and root 2 in denominator. Okay, and so here root 2 and root 2 into root 2 will be, this will be your answer. Okay, once again the next question solution is here 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into, here root 2 minus 1. If the question is in this form, then we have to multiply by positive integer if the question is negative, but in the case the denominator is in positive, then we must to multiply by negative terms. So here root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1, okay, is equal to, here multiply this term by this, so root 2 plus 1 by here a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square. Here what? Root 2 square minus 1 square is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to root 2 plus 1. This will be answer. Similarly, third question is here what? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 is equal to, here root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here again minus and here plus. So we have to multiply by plus terms. Root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. We have to multiply by the same number or the same term, but here we have to notice that the term is in minus or plus. If once again I am telling you, if the term is in minus, then we have to must multiply by plus symbol. In the plus, then must multiply by minus. Okay, so here a plus b, a plus b. So here will be a plus b to the whole square. Root 2 plus 1 to the whole square by here a minus b into a plus b. So here root 2 square minus 1 square. Okay. Now here what will be? Here equal to root 2 to the whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 square equal to 1 and 2 into root 2 into 1 is equal to 2 root 2 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 1 3 and plus 2 root 2 and by 1 this is hidden in the denominator. Okay, so this is the what? Solution of the three types of the questions. Okay, and now you can solve the what? That means rationalization of the denominator. Such type of the question now you can solve. Understand? And once again I remind you, here my WhatsApp number, and so you have any problem you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and you must like and subscribe my channel.